Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2018 GMC Sierra? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2018 GMC Sierra provides and protects power for key systems like the engine, transmission, cooling fans, fuel pump, and exterior lighting. It ensures reliable performance by safely distributing electricity to critical components. Instrument panel fuse box right side. The instrument panel fuse box on the right side of the 2018 GMC Sierra powers and protects interior features such as infotainment, climate control, power outlets, and passenger comfort systems. It ensures safe and reliable operation of convenience and entertainment functions. Instrument panel fuse box left side. The instrument panel fuse box on the left side of the 2018 GMC Sierra supplies and safeguards power for driver-focused systems such as lighting controls, steering wheel functions, data connections, and safety electronics. It helps ensure smooth operation of essential cabin features. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.